Welcome to VOLTER. For over 12 years, we've been at the forefront of manufacturing high-precision 3-axis CNC routers. Trusted in over 40 countries, our routers are designed to deliver consistent efficiency of use, ensuring long-term performance and precision. VOLTER CNC routers process a wide range of materials including aluminium, plastics, wood, composite panels, and many others. This versatility supports industries from furniture manufacturing to facade systems. Our machines provide the flexibility needed to meet different production goals. We understand that every business is unique. That's why VOLTER CNC routers can be configured to meet your specific needs, whether you require specific dimensions, specialized tools, or additional features. This flexibility allows you to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and adapt to changing requirements, ensuring your router remains an essential part of your production for years to come. At VOLTER, we offer 4 main series of CNC routers, each designed to meet different production needs. L series, adaptable for various tasks, offering versatility and high performance. SX series, compact and precise, ideal for detailed small-scale work. ACP series, equipped with dual spindles for fast tool changes, perfect for complex operations. Pro series, built for heavy-duty industrial applications, providing maximum power and precision. These routers are crafted to enhance your production capacity, no matter the industry or scale. We offer a complete service package, including delivery, installation, and thorough training for your staff. We provide ongoing technical support as well as both warranty and post-warranty service to ensure your router continues to run smoothly. Our team is always available to assist with any questions or concerns, ensuring your production stays uninterrupted and efficient. Contact us today to discover how VOLTER can transform your business with our advanced CNC router solutions. VOLTER, your trusted partner in manufacturing technology.